Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to disable or to save video after posting on TikTok application. Alright guys, first of all, let's just open our TikTok application in our phone. And after we have our TikTok application opened, let's just create a post on TikTok. Click on this plus button to create a post. And for instance, I'm going to upload a photo from my device. I'm going to upload this photo. Then we can click on next. And here, if you don't want to automatically save this post to your device or to your gallery, you have to turn this option off. You have to turn off the save to device option. You can click on this toggle button to disable this save to device option. And right after you disable this option, your post on TikTok or your video on TikTok won't be automatically saved to your device after you post it to your TikTok. Alright guys, and that's how we can disable auto save video after posting on TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.